If you are into digital marketing, then you should not ignore the fact that engagement with 360 and VR content is 5 times as high than with a normal one. In the last year, technology of VR and 360 video production has evolved so much that it has never been easier to produce fantastic immersive content. My name is Dado Valentic, and I would like to invite you to join me and Abel Cine team on a 2-day workshop where we're going to show you the latest technologies and take you from the beginning to the end. We're going to show you the latest digital cameras and how to use them, how to edit, how to title, and how to color grade using custom developed software tool for DaVinci Resolve. I'm looking forward to welcoming you in this class.
Hi, I'm Mike Nichols, Business Development Manager and VR Product Specialist here at Abel Cine in New York. During day 1 of the Color Training Advanced 360 production course, we're going to be covering 4 topics. Intro to 360 video basics like monoscopic versus stereoscopic capture, parallax and convergence, and 3 degrees of freedom versus 6 degrees of freedom, or 3DOF versus 6DOF. We'll also discuss the creative process in crafting an effective immersive experience through writing, guiding cues, and composition. The third topic that we're going to be discussing is an overview of 360 camera tech. We'll be digging down into the menu structures, spatial audio capture in the field, lighting, and the best practices in the field. And lastly, we're going to be looking at some real compelling 360 content in an HMD or a head-mounted display.